What's going on, everyone? It's your boy DeAnte, Break the Cycle section. How you doing? And welcome to this morning's live trade breakdown. Today we're going to break down EURAUD, alright? I'm already in it. We actually took this on our live trading session. Basically on EURAUD, if we go to the high time frames, we can see that the level that it's at now has been struggling to break, okay? Since the beginning of April, it hasn't really broke this level. So it's only tested this level twice since it broke out over here, okay? It's only tested this level twice. So what we're looking for is for price to come up, go back up at least to our EMA 50, okay? A safe take profit would probably be right here, around 1.7900. Yeah, around 1.7900. That'd be a nice take profit one. Actually, you could do a take profit one here at 1.7800. Take profit two at our next level. And then if you want to ride it longer, up to take profit three. Okay. So on this particular setup, we actually took an early entry right here. Basically, we said, you know what, this is the second time that it's hit this level. It's actually got a nice little potentially exhaustion wick here. All right. We set our stop loss below this low over here. Okay. So it's only about, I want to say 25, about 50 pips. Okay. 50 pip stop loss from where it's at now. We jumped in right now. I'm about 3 pips down. It's just basically at break even. Okay, so if you see this in time, we jumped in at 77.253, and my take profits would be actually, if we go up to the 1 hour, just below the 1 hour EMA 200. I'm going for about 200 pips on this one. Alright, so I already took my scalps off of this earlier. So now I'm just riding it for the long haul. Okay. So that's what we saw. The rejection off of the key level. Okay. That's number one. Then we looked at our, CDI. Alright. And we saw CDI, the market sentiment was right at the 50. The 50, static. I'm sorry. So I'm just looking for a nice pullback back up, okay? Then once it breaks, we'll see what happens. But we see our CDIs bottomed out, looking for a pullback back up. Our stochastics bottomed out, looking for a pullback back up. That's just on the 1 hour, alright? So for our entries, we broke it down to the 15-minute and the 5-minute. Okay? So let me look to the 5-minute. One thing that I've definitely learned from trading with the CDI is on the 5-minute, once price starts to trend above the market sentiment, it's going to start turning around, especially with this divergence here. Alright? So price could pull back a little bit more, okay? And the stochastic, once it comes back down, will probably be right around here. Depending on how far that is, let's see. Okay, it's only 40 pips, so we're good. So basically, I just have like a small little foot soldier in the market right now. Once we break above the 50, and this trend is clearly turned around, I'm gonna be dropping more positions on every pullback. So basically, when price breaks above this, 7,800, comes back down, and starts to reject, this is an entry. Okay? You can ride it. Next 100 pips will be the take profit. Once it breaks that next level, and then rejects back down, if it shows rejection off of this level, it'll take the buy up again to the next level. Alright? Just keep it that simple, guys. Just look at market structure. Alright? Look for your confirmations. You might have some other confirmations, which is fine. My confirmations are according to my Pip Spark strategy that we use and that we teach inside the Break the Cycle FX, alright? So this is what we see on EA right now. Keep an eye on that. I definitely see it pulling back, okay? So, with that being said, hopefully this very short video, very short breakdown on EA was good enough for you to catch on. We also have a buy harmonic. This is one of the tools that I give people that's inside my academy, this harmonic scanner. And we also have a buy harmonic on the 1 hour at a support level, okay? With our CDI bottomed out and my stochastic bottomed out. So I'm just looking for a nice little pullback, okay? So, hopefully this worked. Hopefully that this is beneficial. Depending on by the time I get this video up, if it plays out, I'll let you guys know, okay? I'll post a little screenshot. Be sure to follow Break the Cycle FX on Facebook, facebook.com/Break the Cycle FX if this video is beneficial. And definitely for like more chart markups that I post, I drop on our fan page. You can also join my free Telegram channel. That link is down below in the description. And you can check out our academy, where we teach you how to trade, how we trade, how we've gone from $500 to $1,000 a day, trading the Forex market, just keeping it simple, okay? So, hopefully, this video is beneficial. All of the links are down below for you guys to get in contact with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a video. And also, if you have any questions about anything, just drop them down below the video, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can, alright? So as always, it's your boy DeAnte, Break the Cycle section. Check out breakthecyclefs.com to get all the details in our academy, and I'll see you in the next video.